Hello, dear friends. In this lesson, we will learn the logic of loops in Python and how to use it. So let's start. Now, in general, statements are executed sequentially, right? The first statement in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on and so forth. Now, there may be a situation when we need to execute a block of code several times. So programming languages provide us with a variety of control structures that allow us to use more complex execution paths. So that's what a loop statement is. It simply allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. So the Python programming language provides us with the following loop types to handle loop requirements: while loops and for loops. Loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. So when execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. Python supports the following control statements: break statement, continue statement, pass statement. So in this lesson, we learned the logic of loops. We're going to put them into practice in the next lesson. So I'll see you there. Have a nice day.